Open a web browser and go to zorin.com. Click on Download. For this demo, I will download the core basic use version, which is free. In VirtualBox, click the New option and specify the virtual machine name. For the ISO image, click the drop-down and select the Zorin OS ISO file that we just downloaded and hit Next. Zorin OS is famous for being lightweight, and as you can see from the official minimum specs on screen, it runs on almost anything. However, for a virtual machine, we want it to feel buttery smooth. So even though it can run on less, I recommend setting your RAM to 4 GB and your CPU to at least 2 cores. For the hard disk, the minimum is 15 GB, but let's give it 25 GB just to be safe. Click Next and then Finish. Click Start to fire it up. Choose Try or Install Zorin OS and wait for the installer. When it loads, click Install Zorin OS. I recommend keeping the boxes for updates and third-party software. Check to get all your media codecs right away. I will also opt out of participating in the census. Click Continue. Since this is a virtual machine, it's safe to choose Erase Disk and install Zorin OS. This only erases the virtual 25 GB drive we created, not your actual hard drive. Set up your username and password. And click Continue. To complete the installation, click Restart Now.